All right, guys and gals, I'm a little excited here. I got a deep signals coming in at about an 84 to 86 on the DS2. And I see some green patina, and we have the possibility that it's a copper round or a copper sabot on a shell. It may be just a pipe, but right now I'm looking at it and it's already about 1.5 foot, 2 foot deep. So let me show you real quick. Y'all see that? Hopefully you can. All right, I'm gonna set up the thing so we can, and just in case it's a shell, I'm gonna set it up so you can watch it. Hang on. I don't know what the heck that is. I'm not sure it's a shell though, unfortunately. But I could be wrong. Oh, you know what it is? It is the bottom part of a big old ass parrot shell. Look at that. Oop, I can't see it. At least that's what I think it is. Look at the size of that mofo mother right there. Whoo! I'll have to measure it when I get home. I'm not a big artillery guy, so look at that, man. Freaking awesome. I know I'm getting it out of y'all's viewing area. Look at that big old copper sabot. Sweet. Dang, I was hoping it's gonna be a whole shell, but hey, look, I'll take that big old bottom part. Definitely what that is. Awesome. Dang it, wish it was a whole one. That's gonna be hard to carry out though. This one already weighs about 10 pounds, it feels like. All right. Sweetness.